backside look of this monitor. 27-inch curve, 100 Hz. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you the budget monitor LG 27-inch USB-C curve monitor. It comes with a 100 Hz 5 ms 27-inch VA panel curve monitor, budget monitor. Power cable, power adapter, 19 voltage 2.53 ampere power adapter from LG, round pin, and this is the HDMI cable 1.8 meters, user manual, and there is a one screw in user manual. This is a screw for that one. In user manual, this is a screw to fit. One small screw they are giving for a stand. This is a screw, and this is the middle stand, and this is the bottom stand. So metal stand, very strong. This is the middle stand, and this is the bottom stand. Let's see the monitor. These are the ports it has. This is a power adapter port, and one HDMI, and one USB-C, and headphone jack or speaker jack. So 27-inch core monitor LG. Let's remove the plastic. This one is a power button, and as well as a setting button also. And it has a wall mount option. Backside 4 screws are there for wall mount, and LG logo. This is the backside look of this monitor. 27-inch curve, 100 Hz, and this is for Kensington lock. So lock port is there, and this is small ventilation system they give in the top backside. So there is no speaker. Only this one is a empty ventilation system this side, and both side they give. There is no speaker in this model. Let's see the front side. This one is the front side look. So let's fix the stand. So only one screw. So this is a position to fix. That's it. And the back side we need to fix the screws. Fix it. So make it full tight. Bottom of the stand, only one screw. So here there is no screws, just you need to pull this one inside the hole. Slowly you need to press inside. That's it. So it's fixed. So once if you want to remove, just you press this one. Just remove. So again you fix it. Yeah, that's it. This is the assemble of LG 27-inch curve monitor. So this is only the tilt option. There is no up and down, only tilt. Yeah. So it won't adjust up and down, only tilt. This is the full design. This is the backside look. This one is a VA panel, 100 Hz, 5ms, 27-inch curve monitor with a USB-C and HDMI. It's a budget monitor on USB-C monitor. Let's connect the adapter. Here you can see the technical specification. It's a Full HD screen 1920 by 1080 and HDMI port, USB-C port. All the technical details you can see here. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.